Quindi le nostre penne alla vodka sono pronte, buonissime, piccanti, un po' di passione. Lo so in italiano. Hi all, welcome to Cucina with Daniela. And today what we're gonna do? Penne with vodka. It's a bit on the 80s style. Let's do it together. Preparation time is like 10 minutes. The ingredients will be onion, pancetta, cream, vodka, olive oil, pasta and tomato sauce. Of course, chili. Facciamolo insieme e facciamo la pasta alla vodka. We're gonna start water and salt for our pasta. In meantime, we're gonna prepare the base, olive oil, not too much, onion, chili, peperoncino, bacon. We'll make a little bit crunchy our bacon and onion. Now that the bacon is a little crunchy, I add the tomato sauce, just a little bit. You can add some creme fraiche or whatever you have. So, la nostra pasta penne alla vodka, my way, is done. So, sharing and caring with your friends, all the ingredients are below and all the process. 10 minutes is ready. Nice dinner, nice idea for any occasion. And thank you to follow me and to let me grow, and I wish you a good day. Let's try. Buona buona. So, see you soon and ciao!